Hey there, welcome to the channel. Here we break down tech topics so you can stay ahead in this digital age. Today we are talking about something that power the internet as you know it, cloud hosting provider. If you have ever wondered how websites stay online 24 into 7 without crisis, how businesses like Netflix or Amazon handle millions of users simultaneously, or which hosting provider might be best for your needs, then this video is your ultimate guide. Here is what we will cover today. What is cloud hosting is and how it works. Second is the key benefits of cloud hosting compared to traditional option. Third is a detailed comparison of the top cloud hosting provider. Fourth is a step-by-step tip for choosing the right provider for you. Whether you are running a personal blog, launching a business, or building the next big app, understanding cloud hosting is crucial. So stick around and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech insights. Let's jump in. Let's start with the basic. What exactly is cloud hosting? In traditional hosting, your website or application is hosted on a single physical server. It is like renting one office to run your business. But what happens if there is a power outage or the office is damaged? Everything comes to a halt. Cloud hosting solves this problem. Instead of relying on a single server, your data is stored and managed across multiple interconnected servers in various locations. It is like having multiple offices around the globe. You can always keep running no matter what happens in one location. This decentralized setup offers redundancy. If one server fails, another take over. Second is flexibility. Resources like storage and computing power can be added or removed on demand. Third is global access. Your data is closer to your audience no matter where they are. This is why cloud hosting is the backbone of modern website, app, and even large scale system like a streaming platform or e-commerce website. Why is cloud hosting so popular? Here are some of its biggest advantages. First is scalability. Imagine running an online store during a flash sale. With cloud hosting, you can instantly add more resources to handle the traffic. When the scale ends, scale back down to save cost. It is like upgrading your internet bandwidth on demand. Second is high reliability. Unlike traditional hosting, cloud hosting distributes your data across multiple servers. If one server goes offline, another automatically set up in. This ensures minimum downtime. Third is cost efficiency. Cloud hosting uses a pay as you go pricing model. You are only billed for the resources you use, no overpaying for usual capacity. Fourth is global reach. Providers like AWS and Google Cloud have data centers worldwide, ensuring faster loading times for users in different regions. Fifth is enhanced security. Most cloud hosting providers offer top-notch security features, including encryption, firewalls, DDoS protection, and automated backups. Six is environmental benefits. By using shared infrastructure, cloud hosting is more eco-friendly than dedicated physical server. It reduces energy consumption and carbon emission. Now, let's explore some of the top cloud hosting providers and what makes them unique. First is Amazon Web Service AWS. AWS is the pioneer and leader in cloud hosting. Offer over 200 services including EC2 computing, S3 storage and RDS databases. A strength: highly customizable global network and scalability. Best for large enterprises and tech-heavy application. Pricing: pay as you go with a free trial for testing service. Second is Microsoft Azure, perfect for businesses already using Microsoft tools like Office 336, known for its hybrid cloud solution, combining on premise and cloud infrastructure. A strength: enterprises grade security, as seamless integration with Windows tools. Best for enterprises and developer with Microsoft ecosystem. Third is Google Cloud Platform (GCP), known for its machine learning and AI capability. Its strength is high speed networking, cost effective pricing, and innovation in AI. Best for a startup, developer, and project requiring advanced analytics. Fourth is DigitalOcean, tailored for developer and small businesses. Its strength is simple dashboard, transparent pricing, and affordable plans. Best for a startup and a small scale projection. IBM Cloud, focus on AI and enterprise solution. A strength: Watson AI service and enterprise level security. Best for large scale project and businesses needing AI driven application. 6 is Alibaba Cloud, dominates in the Asian market and offer affordable plans for e-commerce businesses. Competitive pricing, global expansion, and a strong focus on retail businesses targeting the Asian market. With so many options, how do you choose the best cloud hosting provider for your needs? Here is a quick checklist. First is understand your use case. Hosting a small website, try DigitalOcean or GCP. Running a large scale app, AWS or Azure might be better. Second is compare pricing model. Look for free trials and trial period to test before committing. Check hidden costs like data transfer fees. Third is evaluate features. Does the provider offer scalability, global reach, and advanced security? Fourth is customer support. Reliable 24/7 support is crucial. Check user review for responsiveness. Fifth is uptime and performance. Look for guarantees of 99.9% uptime or higher. Sixth is data center location. Choose a provider with server close to your target audience for faster load times. And that's wrap on our ultimate guide to cloud hosting provider. Cloud hosting has revolutionized in how website, apps, and businesses operate, offering unmatched scalability, reliability, and performance. Whether you are a small business owner, a developer, or an enthusiast, there is a cloud hosting provider trial for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone exploring hosting options. Comment below which provider you use or are planning to try. I did love to hear your thought. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay connected.